Hi everyone, it's Darryl the Trusted Travelier. Today's adventure takes us to Carleton Place, Ontario, which is roughly 40 minutes outside of Ottawa. Population 11,000 plus and counting. I'm today walking the Mississippi River Mississippi River Walk Trail. Mississippi River Walk Trail. Mississippi River Walk Trail. Join me for the adventure. If you've never been here before, welcome. And for anybody who has been here before, I hope you enjoy the tour.
Darryl the Trusted Travelier, Darryl the Trusted Travelier, gonna raid some trails in Canadian bush with Darryl the Trusted Travelier, with Darryl the Trusted Travelier.
The beautiful sounds of spring. I give this trail a 4.5 stars out of 5. The only reason why I didn't give it a 5 out of 5 was because I find that at the end of the trail, at the other end, it goes back into more of an urban setting. So it comes from following the river and it goes into a subdivision. So that was really the only reason why I didn't give it a 5 out of 5. The trail itself is incredibly amazing, smooth, great for doing everything, for riding bikes, for hiking, for walking, for taking nature photos, for viewing the river, for sitting, having picnics. There are benches and garbage cans along the way. It's dog friendly, it's child friendly. I think it's really quite an amazing trail, especially for being in the town. It's very well maintained and looked after. And yesterday when I was actually walking along here, I actually met an officer who was walking along here with his bike. So it's also policed as well. So if there's always that added security that goes with this trail. I'd like to speak about an app that I use personally for all of my hiking trails and all the adventures that I take. This is not a paid advertisement. They don't pay me to say this, but it's something that I feel that anybody who's involved in any kind of outdoor activities, it can really help them, and it's a great tool to use for all of your expeditions. The app is called All Trails. It's great because it can plot your course. It can show you where you've been. It shows your elevations. It shows you all the statistics on the entire hike that you've taken, or your outdoor activity for that matter, whether you're cycling or you're walking or you're hiking or you're boating. You can do any of the stuff that you need to, and it plots the entire course that you've taken. It shows you where you've been, where you're going. It gives you all the directions. If you go on there, it'll show you where you need to go to get to the location. For me, it's a really great tool. Again, I'm not paid to say this by the company or anything like that. I just feel that because it's a tool that anybody who's involved in any outdoor activities can use, it's a wonderful thing that you can use for all of your outdoor activities. You'll see on my videos, there's screenshots of the statistics that I've taken from the app that shows you the elevation changes, that shows you the mileage that I've done, that shows you the plot that I've taken. It shows you the actual trail that I took. And again, when you go on the app, you can actually use this and you can show other people where you've been and where you've gone. And you can also add your own comments about the trails. You can take photos, you can add your own information, and other people can use it for their own information as well to go and do the same things that you do. I hope you enjoyed today's adventure. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you again soon.